Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as we are moving forward in summer seasons, our cars do face problems, and one of which is this.
So as you can see here, the nozzle, the water is coming out only from the one, and the second one is also, the pressure is very low. The same case is with this one also. The water is coming from only one nozzle and pressure is very low as well.
And now this is very common problem. A lot of us think that our nozzle is like broken or it is jammed, or lots of people and lots of myths. So here I am to break all your myths. So without any further delay, let's start it.
So now what we have to do is we have to take a normal safety pin like this, or a needle, or a small thin wire, anything, and we have to clean the inner nozzle of it. You can see here. Don't apply too much pressure unless it can break it. Now let's check. Now as you can see, both the holes have started working, but the pressure is still very low. Now it's a turn of the another one. Always use the rotary motion for that, and you can see the dirt coming out. Now the another one. Now both the holes of the nozzle are clear. Now let's check. Yes, now both of the holes are working, but the pressure is low.
So yeah, as you all saw, this is not a big problem. This is just a small piece of particle or a dirt which stuck in the nozzle, and you know how to clean it now. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, and if you're still not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.